Now we have our subject and background layer. Select a new adjustment layer, Curves. Click on Clipping Mask to the subject. Make sure to select the Curves layer. Check sample size must be 5 by 5. Double-click on the highlight color. Choose the brightest color in the background. Double-click on the shadow color. Choose the darkest color in the background. Double-click on the midtone color. Choose the neutral color in the background, in this case, at the mountain. Pick the highlight color and apply on the brightest spot on the subject. Pick the shadow color and apply on the darkest spot on the subject. Pick the midtone color and apply on the neutral spot on the subject. And you are done. Looking good.